Hello everyone, it's Miss Paola coming to you guys today. I hope everyone is doing good. I hope you guys enjoyed your winter break. This week we are doing space theme for our videos and for our live videos. So today I have a really fun experiment for you guys, something fun that you guys can do at home. We're gonna be doing fizzy moon rocks. So as you guys can see, I have my stuff right here, and you guys don't need that many ingredients. The only things you guys will be needing is some vinegar that I have right here, some water that I already added some food coloring to. You guys will need some food coloring, whatever color you guys want to make your fizzy rocks, some baking soda, which is the main ingredient, and a big open container. That way we can mix all the ingredients together and make our fizzy rocks. So let's get started with the fizzy moon rocks. Let's get started with the project. All right, you guys, so the first thing we'll be doing, we're gonna be taking our container and we're gonna be pouring baking soda. I don't really have like the exact measurements you guys need. That is because it all depends on how many like little moon rocks you guys want to make. So let me show you guys how much baking soda I'll be pouring in the container, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I want to make about 3, so I'm not going to add that much baking soda. Just enough for my 3 little moon rocks. Alright, you guys, so I added about this much in the container. As you guys can see, it's not that much, but this is all I will be needing. And now for my next step, what you guys want to do is get a glass of water, and then add whatever food coloring you guys would like. I already added blue, and this is what it looks like. So now for the next step is we're gonna be slowly incorporating our water into our baking soda. So that's what I will be doing. I will be adding my water into my baking soda, but we don't want it to get too wet, so make sure you guys are adding little by little. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and moved the camera angle. That way you guys can see a little better what I'm doing. So now that I have my baking soda, I will add my water little by little. Oh, and I forgot to get a spoon, but make sure you guys get something so you guys can mix your mixture. So now that I have my spoon, I'm gonna just go ahead and mix my mixture, making sure I did not add too much water, and just mixing it all together. You kind of want to get like a crumbly consistency, and I think I added a little too much water, so I will go ahead and add a little bit more baking soda. That way it's not as watery and I get more of that crumbly consistency. So I'm just gonna mix everything together. All right, you guys want to get kind of like this consistency where it's still kind of crumbly, a little bit wet but not too wet, just like this. So you want to be able to roll it up into like a snowball. So that's the type of consistency we want. So now that we've mixed our water and our baking soda, now the next step is for us to start making our little balls. So that's what I will be doing on this next step. I will be making my moon rocks, molding them. So you get a little bit of your baking soda and water, and you just roll it up into a ball, like this. So we have one. You can make it either as big or as small as you guys would like. You guys just want to make sure it's all together. All right, so here's my second ball. And then I will make my third ball a little bigger because I have a little more left. Alright, you guys, so as you guys can see, I am done rolling up my balls. I have my 3 little moon rocks, my rocks. And now for the next step is we're gonna go ahead and put them in the freezer for about an hour or an hour and a half. So I'll be back to show you guys what they look like once they're frozen, and I will put these in the freezer. Alright, you guys, so it's been about an hour and a half since I put my moon rocks in the freezer, and as you guys can see, they are already frozen and they're pretty hard. So this is what you guys want. You guys want them to freeze completely. So now that our moon rocks are completely frozen, the next step is for us to add the vinegar and then see the reaction that the vinegar has with the baking soda. So that's why they're called fizzy moon rocks, because the baking soda and the vinegar makes a reaction and makes our rocks start to fizz. So I will show you guys a little closer, that way you guys can see the reaction. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna do one by one. I'll do this moon rock first, and we're gonna pour a little bit of our vinegar and see the reaction it has. We see how our rock is fizzing, and we see the craters that the vinegar is creating with the baking soda. So we see the chemical reaction that it is having. And now I'll just put in the other two and watch them fizz. So if you guys do make these at home, you guys can just play around with the vinegar, play around with the colors. Maybe you guys can add some glitter as well to this project and make it a little more fun. But this is what our fizzy moon rocks turned like. This is what our fizzy moon rocks turned into. Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is what I had planned for you guys today. We did our fizzy moon rocks, and hopefully you guys can give it a try at home. Like any other project, make sure you guys have your parents' permission. That way they can supervise you and help you out in case you guys need help. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.